Hey collectors, welcome back to daily episodes of yteamhotwheels, the all-new Hot Wheels NFT garage. If you got any Series 6 Premium, NFT or ZAMAC virtual collectibles, you can get your hands on a physical diecast version of a car displayed on them. Tokens are dropping now, so you can visit virtual.metal.com. So here's the lineups of the cars. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels RLC exclusive car, a Mercedes-AMG G63. Another new upcoming Hot Wheels RLC exclusive, a Porsche 944 Dirtmeister. New upcoming Hot Wheels mainline car, a 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Now let's check out new upcoming posters by ZAMAC Works. A Honda Integra Type R DC5 Mugen. A old and new 997. A Pandem Toyota GR Yaris. A Toyota Supra Turbo MA70. A Renault 5 Maxi Turbo. A Mercedes-AMG G63. A Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution. Now let's check out some sneak peeks of new upcoming models by ZAMAC Works. So our first car is a VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15, was one of the most popular models in 2023, and here comes a new white version for 2024, and it's also a collab model with the Lamley Group. The fastest safety car for the fastest racing cars in the world. Introducing the Global 64 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series F1 safety car. A ZAMAC Works first Koenigsegg is quite a while, and excited to present the CC850. It is a brand new Global 64 tooling and is now available for pre-ordering via authorized retailers. Born in 1995 with a 2.0-liter 4 G63T turbocharged engine that produces 270 horsepower. Pre-order a brand new Global 64 casting of a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 3. A 993 remastered by Gunter Vex in a Gulf-inspired livery, so pre-order it now via authorized resellers. The new colorway of a Ferrari F40 lightweight on a test track. The official collab tandem GR Yaris with the Toyo tires is set to hit the market later this year. Pre-order it now via authorized resellers. A King Models presents a RWB 964, color of a car, Honey Pegasus, limited up to 499 units, made from diecast, releasing at the end of this month. Another model by King Models presents a Ferrari Enzo, color of a car, pink, limited up to 299 units, made from diecast, releasing on March 2024. Akitan Models presents a RWB 930, color of a car, Stella Artois, limited up to 299 units, made from resin. This model is released and available with sailors. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.